Let's go to school. What's your advice for new teachers?
Be kind, keep your kids safe, and help them learn.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
And wrote a letter to the Boston Globe urging a stronger go.
School just got done. Out in their little courtyard, they have this peach tree. So I went out and I picked some peaches. Time to go home. So, after dinner, we came to the church to help Mom clean it. Bumped into the Rittenberries. And got my mate. Dad bought it for me for my birthday. Surprise appearance from head coach. What's today's advice?
Be nice on the court.
Oh, okay.
To myself.
You're gonna hold on to that one.
I am.
So, nurse shoes left a mess. Let's clean it. Welcome to the cooking show. We have fresh cut up peaches tossed in sugar in a saute pan of butter. So, peaches are cooking down. Got the crumble made. Now it's time to grease the pan. Hold on.
It was delicious.
No. Was it bust or crust?
Which one's bad again?
Bust is good. Crust is bad.
It was bust.
The crust was bust.